literally just started right now. One sec. Let me just turn off my mic. Bear with me, guys. I'll be with you shortly. I'll be with y'all shortly. I'm just getting this link to share. This is annoying. There we go. Alrighty. How do I sound, guys? How do I sound? How do I sound? Can you guys hear me clearly? Mic check, mic check. What's going on, guys? How you doing? Everyone well? Let me know inside the chat box of the stream. Alright, so we've got retail data coming out in about 50 seconds. We're going to see how the dollar, of course, reacts to that data. Hopefully we can see some movers. Let me just adjust this camera a little bit. Okay. Okay. Yes, Chelms. Money Day gift. How you doing, Chelms? You well? Guys, as we always do, every time we jump into one of these live streams, just hit that like button. Hit that like button. Guys, can you hear me well? Okay, retail sales data just came out now. Okay, so you see for Euro USD, we're hitting inside of this daily area. Like, ideally, I do want to see this actually drop. Ideally, if you guys saw the market update earlier on today, I would have told you guys the analysis for this. Ideally, I do want it to drop inside this daily imbalance, and then we can work to find some long positions potentially. For gold looks set to pretty much make all-time highs. Um, I'll potentially look for some pullbacks to enter for continuations for gold. I don't believe gold is done pushing higher yet. It's not really ideal to enter gold and look for trades on gold for now, but let's just see how price progresses. Chelm says as good as can be, really. Hope you're well. I'm well, thank you. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button if you are inside this live stream. Go to the chat box. Let's have a conversation. Introduce yourselves. We've got Chelms in here. We've got Gift. Who else have we got in the live stream right now? All right, so the dollar is in fact pushing up. Yeah, the retail sales, core retail sales are better than expected, far better than forecasted data at 0.1%. Okay, so there's an increase of 0.3%, and for retail sales is also much better. The forecasted was negative 0.3%, so that's also gone up by 0.3%. So total, it's very good news for the dollar. Okay, so far, so far. Guys, how does the stream sound? How does it look? Guys, let me know. How's the stream? Is it all good? Let me get some thumbs up in the chat. Okay, Gift says, yeah, stream's good, bro. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sir Ever, bro, I forgot how to say that name. Sir Ever Slick, Sir Everlastic. Anyways, Jason, what's going on, brother? Are you well? The stream is streaming. I like the energy. I like the energy. Let's get some energy in here. Okay, cool. Perfect. All right, so today, hopefully, we can find some trades. It looks like gold is pinging off of this 15-minute candle right here. Okay, it looks like it is pinging off of it for the time being. Am I interested in gold a little bit? Just due to the fact that the all-time highs just looks too clean to not be taken. We're so close to those highs. Okay, so price might as well take those highs out. So we'll look to see if it can do that today. Okay, we'll look. We'll definitely look for that today. What are you guys looking at the moment? What trades are you looking at? What setups? What pairs? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Jason, I love that. The stream is streaming. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So, like I said to you guys so far, gold has pinged off of this 15-minute candle. It's currently pushing up. Now, at the moment, there are a few areas gold can actually ping out of and give us a reaction out of. Of course, we can see those many areas on the 15 minutes. So we've got these two down candles. We had a push up. We've seen price test it. Okay. We've had a continuation. We've seen price push back down. We've seen a higher high. We've now seen price test it. So gold may potentially, okay, push up from this area, okay, and create another higher high. Okay. We are slowly trickling down lower. Now, in terms of areas of liquidity, okay, areas to target, we do have this Asia session low, which has been left behind. Okay. This Asia session low has been left behind. Even when we opened up London session over here. No, London session is a lot higher. Okay, over here we did not pull down to take out these lows first. Okay, we've kind of just rallied off at the back of that. So at some point, when gold does start coming down, this would be one of those key areas I'll target for some shorts. Okay, looking at the DXY, it looks progressive to the upside of DXY, so that's pretty good. The longs for gold look less likely as the dollar is continuing to push up. Okay, so I'm monitoring. So at the moment, we do have this most immediate high for the DXY. Okay, I'm also going to set an alert there. Guys, if you don't use alerts, use alerts. They're very, very helpful. Okay. And I'm going to set an alert at this high here as well. Okay. It looks like the Euro USD short on the daily might be a better move. Okay, so of course we've got these equal lows here, so that would be the first target for Euro USD. Now, could we have taken this trade? Could we have gotten involved in this slight Euro USD move to the downside? Not really. Okay, especially prior to news, I wouldn't say there was a clear area to take the sell from. I would have to journal it at the end of the day, see how price progressed, and then anticipate what we could have done. But for the time being, just trading the New York session, as you guys know, I usually do. Okay. Chelm says I'm in gold buy from 24.22 and took partials at 24.37. Okay. So 24.22 is somewhere down here. Yeah, somewhere down here. And 37 is somewhere up here. Okay, so that's significant. That's a significant move. That's definitely a significant move, guys. Or Chelm, sorry. That's pretty good. Anyone took any trades so far today? Okay, so potentially, if this dollar strength sustains, right, we do have an area here where we can potentially use as an entry to get involved in these sells. Okay, we've got an imbalance there. We're seeing price break lower. Let's see how much 40 pips covers. Okay, ideally, 40 pips is okay. It's okay. It covers most of the candle. So there's a potential there. There's a potential there for a trade setup on gold. Okay. Now, ideally, I do want to see this pull back before it taps this 15-minute candle. Ideally. Now, this will be a short-term play. Okay. Dollar's still rising. Okay. Euro USD still dropping. Okay. So E is very close to those lows. I'm going to set an alert right here. Okay, Euro USD also has a similar picture to gold on the 1 minute there. So we're going to monitor them and see how price progresses for each pair. Okay, then we're going to use that as a gauge. Okay, guys, as a gauge to potentially enter that gold short. That's a pretty strong move, guys. It's pretty strong. Now, even when I look at this, right, and I ask myself, is this going to be a move that starts dropping lower and lower? Potentially, okay? As I've said to you guys earlier, we do have this Asia session low, which price can definitely take out, okay? It can definitely tap out that area before it continues. But this short move is going to be more of a short-term play rather than a longer-term one. Okay, we do have this 4-hour imbalance that is resting beneath those Asia session lows. So let's see. All right. So that alert is for EU. EU's pulling back. Guys, I'm getting a phone call. Just bear with me, guys, yeah? All right, guys. Apologies if you can't hear me. Well, you definitely can't hear me. I'm just in a very important phone call meeting right now. But I'm not going to stop the live stream. I'm going to keep the live stream running. I'm going to show you guys what setups I'm currently looking at, and what trades I'm currently looking to take. So at the moment, I am looking at this gold move potentially. If we can get a pull back to this 1 minute imbalance here, stops are here 40, 24, 41.7. That's what I'm going to look for. Okay, if I do take this trade, I will let you know that I've taken the trade myself personally, and then we can work on the rest. Okay, I reckon this can run for 1 to 2 R&R. We'll see how this wants to progress because at the moment, off of the retail sales data, the dollar looks very strong. So I do believe that we can come for these Asia session highs resting above Friday. Okay. So Friday evening, I think we may potentially break to the upside and get a bullish dollar for today. So that's what I'm currently looking at. Okay. So yes, guys, just set some alerts and just monitor the trades with me. Euro USD is continuing to drop lower, so we'll have to keep monitoring those as well. Okay, EU is getting close. Wow, EU is dropping beautifully. If you guys did take that daily setup that I posted, you'd be able to, of course, capture this move. If you're not inside of my Telegram, the link to my Telegram is in the description box down below. Join the Telegram. I post a lot of these trade analysis and chart setups before they happen, and also trade ideas. I know a lot of you guys love trade ideas, so definitely join the Telegram. All right. What's it? Okay, guys, what I'm gonna have to do is end the stream here. Um, this this meeting is taking a lot longer than what I thought it would, so I'll have to restart the stream at a later date. Okay, I'll probably be streaming tomorrow, New York again. We've got tomorrow high impact news. We've got pound CPI. Okay, we've got pound CPI early doors in the morning and crude oil inventories. Okay, I do believe we're going to get a continuation of the dollar. Okay, so just to give you guys a little rundown, currently for the DXY, it's holding inside this 1 hour candle here. It can push down from this area, but I do think that these highs are so, like, I think price is going to take out these highs. Like, in terms of the volume, the injection of liquidity that we're seeing, this looks like a very clear target. Okay, so if prices does start to drop, this may be a potential short-term pullback to then knock this area out. Okay, the daily time frame is taking a lot more precedent for the time being. Okay, it does look like the dollar will stretch towards these two up candles where we can look for some more shorts to the downside. Okay, now if the dollar does continue to rise, that means gold should drop down lower, so please pay attention to this potential setup. If you're not inside of my Telegram, I will be posting this setup inside of my Telegram, and also the potential entry if it gets there, and how prices react inside this area. If it looks good for a short, then we may potentially have to take that short. Okay, this 15-minute candle we have slapped into it. Okay, this does look like a really nice area to pull back. Now I am in two minds because this area here, right guys, this area here can be the area where price pushes up to make another high, but it can also be the excuse to pull back up to then get a sell. Okay, so monitor on the lower time frame. Well, I suggested the 1 minute or the 30-second, 15-second time frame if you have those time frames available to you to look for that potential entry. Okay. Yeah, I will be back again tomorrow. Guys, if you're not inside of my Telegram, link to my Telegram is in the description box of this video. Guys, please don't forget to leave a like. It does help the channel grow. And as always, remember the theory behind the practice. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.